Hey mini bike friends, I'm in Monroe, Michigan at the old school mini bike swap meet show. All kinds of cool bikes. Vintage, some restored, some not restored. I have more to come. Go to All About Mini Bikes for our videos. Monroe, Michigan for the old school mini bike swap meet, and this year it's combined with the bicycle show. So there's really a lot of people and a lot of stuff for sale out here.
Beagle.
Oh, that's a beautiful SL70. Parts galore.
Where they got extra stock.
You'll come to a cul-de-sac and you're gonna be running way by the house. You're gonna go by the twice. That's where I live, right down there.
So you're just a little bit to the
I'm 7 north,
northeast. West.
we're northwest. The problem with Chrome is it's an element.
Yeah, I'll talk to you. Yeah, they're a cut a piece or
Goes over the back grill. I got a big. If you build it right, it'll never slip out of there. A couple ones for the. Oh yeah, I don't got it.
What brand is that?
Thanks, fellas. Thanks, fellas.
Yep, no problem.
he's a talker.